scratching his belly.
I know.
I don't know if that's his belly, dude.
That's his area too.
Yeah, that's his area.
That's his business hanging out.
I love your pot belly.
He's eating a peanut. He's eating a peanut.
Look how he uses his little hands.
Oh my God, it's right there.
It's right there. Oh, it's picking up debris.
That was like, he was like a block away.
Oh yeah. Well, it hit something right over there.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be living in it. We need to re-severe warn this thing. We have our own cage. You see the funnel?
Yeah.
Tornado, we did it, guys! Wow! Did you guys hear me? When I say get back in the van, you guys get in the van.
We gotta hop in and go. We're good. Oh, hey, yeah.
Long live Tornado! Is that not one of the most amazing things you've ever seen in your life? Look, guys, good job, team. I just hope this thing doesn't hurt anything.
Big pieces of debris. It just hit something.
It's right there. It's getting close, guys. There's debris.
minutes. 24 and a half. Oh my God! That just happened! We're mostly in the van because of the lightning. I don't want you guys to get killed. And the hail, too. I saw a couple of 2-inchers.
I get it.
Peanuts.
Yeah, some of them are kind of like, yeah.
These guys love the peanuts. They're all about them. They're going after it. Now they're getting bigger. We just gotta keep going. But it's a little clearer on the road now. We can speed up a little bit. Don't go too fast. Police chase ongoing. Thompson Drive, Midland, Texas.
I've got certifications from. Oh my God, he's recording me.
Got a document.
I've got certificates from the Call Me U-Car program on shear and buoyancy dependencies. Yeah.
So it said to squeeze it and then suck it.
Sorry. You know what you're doing?
I don't know. I don't think so. That didn't seem right to me. This seems obsessive. I don't need that.
Don't you have to press that?
Yeah, but once you press it first, then inhale. I think I read that right.
Did you press it? Oh, I heard it.
Then you try to cough until it gets deeper in. Too, but yeah,
Sorry, I was trying not to laugh.
Yeah.
You had that weird look. Are you finished sucking on that?
That's a really dirty question. I'm not going to answer you.
Sorry, Becky. Becky is hovering over me.
Yeah, I don't think I'm going to use that again. Yeah, I shouldn't have bought this. Even the pharmacist, when she was doing the consult with me, she's like, what the hell is this? And I was like, they said I needed it. She's like, you don't need this. And I was like, well, shit, it was $18. They should have maybe sent it back.
What was that?
Y'all come in now.
What are they doing?
You all come in.
Do that thing again that you just did?
Like that?
Yeah.
There's no twister.
No twister?
No twister.
lot of changes going on.
You think so?
Oh yeah. You need to point a lot higher though.
What do you mean, higher?
Yeah, you need to look at more of the sky. You only want about 20%. You only want 20% of the ground in your frame.
Higher?
Let me see. Let me show you. Let me see the tripod real quick. I think you can do this right here. Here, I'll loosen that. Tighten it back up. I went to use the bathroom upstairs. Oh my God. The cockwomble twister.
We have
Hey, Eric, thank you very much. Thank you for a wonderful week, and it was a fantastic day today, and it's been a great week. So thank you very much.
Guys for being
As you
here.
know, a lot of us will be back, so we have something for you to kind of say thank you for all of this.
You guys don't have to do anything. All right. It tastes so bad.
Oh my God. Jeez.
Everyone give me a hug. Come on.
oh my God, it's
Oh, fantastic. It'll come off. I am officially a cockwomble now. It's severe.
Sector people.
Tornado! Look at the funnel coming down! Look at the funnel! There we go, we did it, baby!
Here it is. Are we gonna make it?
I don't know. Get on the right lane. Yeah, the red. What was the on this Jupiter?
Jupiter, yeah.
The big red storm. This is a paved road.
Yeah.
Van 1 ready.
Let's get that fly out.
Oh, it's trying so hard.
Those are hard little suckers too. Like they're not hardly. Most of them are bouncing off. They're not even breaking. Oh yeah. Look at that motion on the ground there.
touches down, it's gonna be really close. We're gonna make Fog jealous.